Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have started a new skincare routine. The older I get, the more I realize that it's very important how I treat my skin. So I am completely obsessed with this moisturizer by TULA. I got this little adorable travel size because I heard amazing things about it, but I wanted to see how it was going to work for me personally. And I am glad I got the travel size because now I can very conveniently take it with me when I go away. But I definitely need to buy a bigger container of this because I absolutely love it. I use this every night on my face. I wash my face and then I actually use the Tula toner and then I put this on. I put it on my face and I also put it on my neck as well because I don't want wrinkles on my neck either. And I just absolutely love this. A little goes such a long way. I have been using this for, I think, a couple of months now. And look, this is all that I've used from this little trial size. So it just takes a really small amount and I'm able to generously spread that over my face. It gives me the moisture that my skin needs, but it's not oily, it's not heavy. I have really oily, greasy skin, so I'm tempted to think, I don't need a moisturizer, but that's not true. We all need a little bit of help. And this one is perfect because it's not too heavy. It's not gonna cause me to break out. It's not gonna clog my pores. It's really, really great for my skin. I highly recommend this moisturizer by Tula. I think that you are gonna love it too, but that's just my point of view.